time for phonics. Phonics.
Hello, everybody. This is the Let's Read part for Unit 2 of the Let's Go 1 workbook, and we're doing the phonics section. And for today's phonics section, we were focusing on the letters G, 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 and C, K, K, K. And in your student books, it was like this.
G, G, girl, gate, goat, C, K, cat, coat, cow.
Okay, all we need to do here is match and trace. All right, so let's get started. This is a goat, so I'm going to draw it to the G, and then I'll match it over here to goat, and I'll trace goat. G-O-A-T is goat. Number 2, this is a gate, so I'll match it over here to G, and where's gate? Cow, gate, there's gate. Draw a line to gate, and G-A-T-E. Number 3 is a cat. Draw a line down to C, and cat is right here. Draw a line up, and let's write cat. C-A-T. Okay, number 4 is a girl. So let's draw a line up to the G, and let's find girl. Cow, coat, girl. There's girl at the bottom. Let's draw a line down to girl and trace it. G-I-R-L. And number 5 is a coat. So we'll draw it to the C, K-K-K. Cow, coat. There's coat. Draw a line and trace it. C-O-A-T. Number 6 is a cow. So draw a line to K-K-K for cow. Here's cow right here. Draw a line up and we'll trace cow. C-O-W. Cow. All right, part A is done. All right, this is part B. It says write, and we're going to be writing in all of the C, K-K-K words here. And we'll write all the G, G-G-G words here. And all the words are up here. We already wrote them together. So let's start with the C words. We got cow first. K-ow, cow. And then we also had cat and coat. So here's cat, K-a-t, cat. And coat, K-O-T, coat. All right, the G words, go, go, go. We've got gate first, G, plus 8 makes gate. And the other G words were goat and girl. Let's write goat, G, then we need O, O-A, and T, goat. And girl, G, plus ger, girl, girl. And we are done. Great job.